The weather's getting hotter, and if you're not happy with how your body is looking, wearing less clothing may be the last thing on your mind. Well, our next guest wants to show off her body this summer. Here's why.
My name is Tatiana. I am 30 years old, and I've always been a very body positive person, but I've also struggled with being self-conscious about my butt. My entire family has a big butt, and my sisters, they used to flaunt theirs, and mine, it was just flat. So it was pretty embarrassing. Having a butt just doesn't come naturally to me. I've always had to work at it, but now I feel more confident and my butt is more obvious, and even my husband notices, which is amazing.
Tatiana joins us today along with Dr. Raffi Hovsepian, plastic surgeon and spokesperson for MAYÖLYS Cosmetics. They make a product that Tatiana has been putting to the test. Thank you, the two of you, for joining us today.
Thank you, Dr. Orden. It's always a pleasure to see you, and thanks for having us on the show today.
It's so great to be here.
Well, pleasure to have you both. As a plastic surgeon, I hear from many women every day who want to have a fuller and more toned booty. So let's first talk about why this even occurs. The shape of our buttocks is defined by muscles known as the glutes, plus the fat that lies over them. So weight gain or aging can cause this fat to atrophy, and the skin over it can become loose, making the butt appear as if it's sagging. So, Dr. Raffi, tell me, what has been your experience with patients?
Well, Dr. Orden, I'm sure it's the same in your practice as it is in my practice, but having a booty that you deem to be flat or undesirable in any way can be frustrating and can affect one's self-esteem. Unfortunately, as we get older, there's a possibility that this is only going to get worse. That's because after age 30, a person's overall muscle mass decreases approximately 3 to 8% per decade.
Unfortunately, our backsides are doomed to a certain extent. So in addition to excess fat in the buttocks, weak muscles, as you alluded to, can cause the butt to sag, and the butt cheeks may hang down and blend with the back of the thighs. However, there's another cause of a flat booty that people may not be aware of. So, Dr. Raffi, tell us more about that.
Yes, Dr. Orden, you're correct. A flat butt can also be caused by activities that require you to sit for long periods of time. This condition is actually known as dormant butt syndrome. This is when your gluteal muscles become weak, your hip flexors are too tight, so they don't work as efficiently as they should.
I mean, it's a real thing. I know they didn't teach that to us in medical school, but dormant butt syndrome, we sit so much of the time, it's a real thing. And, we see it in our office, people coming for butt lifts, but butt lift may not be an option for everyone. And lack of exercise can also be a contributing factor for people. So exercises you can do to strengthen your gluteal muscles and lift your booty, these include lunges and squats, walking or running up hills, one-leg kickbacks, and leg raises. So Tatiana, tell us more about why you're here today.
Well, my booty was never full. I had a 90s mom butt that was long and flat. It basically went straight up into my back.
Well, I'm told that you've been trying out a new cream designed to help you with this concern. Is that right? And what do you think about it so far?
Yes, I have. I've been using the product twice a day for about a month and a half. I started seeing results about 2.5 weeks in. I've also been eating healthy, working out, and staying really hydrated. So I really felt like the product enhanced what I was already doing. And I'm really happy with my results. I feel more confident in my skin now.
So tell us more about the type of results that you're seeing, Tatiana.
Yeah, my butt is fuller, more round, and plumper. I feel like when I'm wearing jeans, they're not just sitting on nothing or that I'm constantly yanking them up. I even have that roundness right under the butt cheek that makes it look like I have a fuller butt.
So, Dr. Raffi, tell us more about the product that Tatiana has been using.
Well, Dr. Orden, Tatiana has been using the MAYÖLYS Be Thick Booty Enhancing Mask. This mask helps create a plumper, tighter, lifted booty. As a plastic surgeon, I think women who are interested in a butt lift procedure will love this product because not every person wants or needs to have surgery. Drew, as you're aware, surgery involves a lot of factors, a patient's medical condition, their budget, and much more.
And Dr. Raffi, how often do you recommend that someone use the product?
Drew, I recommend using the product twice a day for best results.
Sounds good. Dr. Raffi and Tatiana, it was great to have you both joining us here on The Doctors Today. Thank you for sharing your story and for telling us more about this new product.
Dr. Orden, it's great to see you again, and thanks for having us.
Thank you so much.
Continued good luck there, Tatiana.